Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you all will be fine and doing so good. Friends, today I'm gonna tell you about the disconnect switch. What is disconnect switch? Before start um, explanation of this switch, I would like to introduce about this switch. Basically disconnect switch, we uses this switch with many devices to isolate the device. Let's suppose if I talking about the chiller plant AHU, um, they installed on the roof, and these type of the disconnect switches we uses with along with the chiller plants and AHUs. The main purpose of this, let's suppose if somebody want to check the chiller plant or AHU for the maintenance purpose. Uh, uh, if we do not want to turn off or shut down supply from the main MDB, then we use is here the disconnect switches. Why we use this disconnect switches? Let's suppose we shut down supply from the MDB. In the other areas, our supply will be disconnected. So if we use disconnect switch, then we have no need to shut down the supply from the main source. So by using this, we can disconnect this disconnects many devices separately. Okay, now I will talk about this. I will discuss about this disconnect switch. You see here the main circuit breakers and the two main 240 square cables are terminated with its input. Okay, this switch rating is approximately 1000 amps. You see here on the nameplate of this disconnect switch, the rating 1000 amps, 230 400 volt, 3 phase, 60 hertz, everything is mentioned on this nameplate. Okay, now look here. You see here the cable glands, the incoming cables are coming and are terminated in its output. You see here the danger from the company, Khatar danger tagged here. Why he tagged here? It's mean that the here yani you don't touch here. Yani if you touch here, then you will be shocked. You will be shocked from the current. Okay, that's why manufacturing company mentioned here the danger. Okay, so if you want to disconnect, then we have no need to touch this area. This is the bus bar area. Okay, this is the disconnect switch, and you see here the incoming cables are terminated here with red, yellow, blue bus bar. You see here the neutral bus bar existed here and designed such like this. You see here, and earth bar is also designed here. Okay, you see here many cables coming front, but you see here, I hope you are now clearly seeing this. Okay, you see here two neutral cables terminated here and one earth cable terminated here. These cables are connected in the output of this main MCCB, and you see here the output bus bar. The output bus bar, yani it designed such like this. Yani you see here the bus bar designed such like this. It will go up, then line such like this, and then come down. Yani okay, you see here this is the output area. This is the output area from where we will take the output from this disconnect switch, and this will go. You see here later we will install here the cable glands, and you see here manufacturing company design such like this. Yani later we will connect, later we will terminate here the cables, 240 mm square cables. Then we will tie on these hadiths, okay, yani irons. Then these cable will go down, then we'll go, okay. Then we will give later inshallah the way, and these cables will go where I will show you the control panel. You see here, you see the chiller control panel, okay. You see here, this is the area, this is the area of the main chiller plant, where these cables will come, and we will later terminate it with chiller plant, and then we will make this chiller plant operational, okay. You see here, once again you see how it is connected, how cables are connected. You see here how it is designed by the manufacturing company. You see here some breakers and some fuses and some indications in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, designed from the company. And these are the control of this panel, and control wiring of this panel. And these are the small control, and this is one socket outlet, okay. This is one socket outlet, a design such like this from the company. Yani we will, in case of maintenance, we can connect, okay, we can connect power from this area, okay. This is design from the company. Hope you got and collected the detail about this disconnect switch. I will bring inshallah next time more videos such like this. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, okay. I will bring inshallah next time more interested videos such like this, okay. Thank you so much.